Charlie? What is it?
Grandpa Joe, we won.
Charlie, get my uniform from high up on the shelf and dust off all the years since it's been worn. I admit for quite a while I haven't been myself, but spread the news! A new Joe has been born. Though I haven't walked in years, change my oil and check my gears, give my hair a clip and whip my shaving cream. But don't you pinch me, Charlie. I don't want to wake up from this golden dream.
Joe, what are you doing?
We are going to visit a chocolate factory.
But Joe, you can't walk.
Walk, I could run a 4-minute mile, just like I did in the 48 Olympics. Josephine, get the thread and needle from the kit. I'm sure the moths have had a woolly chew. And you won't have to alterate, me trousers will still fit, 'cause I haven't ate since I was 22. While your mother starts to dress me and your dad can iron press me, press the pedal to the kettle for the steam. But don't you pinch me, Charlie. I don't want to wake up from this golden dream.